brake is your key to turning faster and safer. The front brake is one of the most critical controls on a motorcycle. It's just not for slowing down. It's a powerful tool used for controlling the bike's speed, direction, and the all-important chassis geometry. When you apply the front brake, a few key things happen. The front forks compresses and the rear shock extends. This action shifts the bike's weight forward, shortening the wheelbase and decreasing both the rake and trail. This change in geometry is engineered to help the motorcycle turn more easily and precisely. By using the front brake, you're putting the bike in the optimal position to lean into a corner with confidence. This is a fundamental concept in advanced riding techniques, enabling you to master control. On the other hand, when you accelerate, the opposite occurs. The front forks extend and the rear shock compresses. This lengthens the wheelbase and increases the rake and trail. This geometry shift causes the motorcycle to want to naturally run wide. That's why it's critical for you to wait until you can see your exit and have your reduced lean angle before you fully open the throttle, ensuring you maintain a stable and predictable line. This prevents the bike from fighting your desired direction. Y'all stay safe out there.